Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Sithelo Shozi celebrated her daughter Coco's first birthday today and posted very beautiful pictures on her Instagram, you guys. And Sithelo made it clear that she intends on raising her daughter all by herself, you guys. After both Mamkhize and her son Andile posted uKoko and wished her a happy birthday, you guys, and claimed her as their own. Sithelo was quick to state that her daughter does not have a father or any extended family. This comes after Andile and his mom allegedly demanded DNA tests to prove the paternity of her daughter uKoko, you guys. So Sithelo shared this very sad and emotional message on her stories. She wrote, "As far as I'm concerned, my daughter does not have a father or an extended family until proven otherwise. I'm purely dedicating this day to her and thanking God for blessing and entrusting me with her. We have been through an awful lot this past year and a little kindness would go a long way right now. Please refrain from finding any sensationalism from anything around this." Now please guys, do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video.